We're here at 22500 Gilmore Street in West Hills. It's a nice, quiet neighborhood, and we're just a few minutes away from Westfield Topanga and the Village. That's where you'll find everyone hanging out at the upscale shops and restaurants. It's a great place to be around. This is one of my favorite properties on the market. Not only are we surrounded by great charter schools, but the home sits on a giant lot, almost 17,700 square feet, and it's all flat. Swimming pool, basketball court, and there's tons of land if you ever wanted to add on to the home. The house is beautiful, absolutely move-in ready, very clean, very bright. The chef's kitchen with professional grade appliances and island is perfect for preparing big meals. The home is over 2,800 square feet and there's plenty of room for your entire family. Master bedroom is spacious and the master bathroom is awesome. There's a soaking tub, stand-up shower, sinks on opposite ends, and a large walk-in closet. So if you're looking for a beautiful large home on a giant flat lot at a great value, this just might be the home for you.